Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
CapCut Fun Edit Tutorial. So here I'm giving you a CapCut fun edit tutorial. So if you're a fan of a person and you want them to shine, say you're a movie like this, like here I got a clip of Superman right here. So I suggest highlighting all his best parts on the movie. Let's say this part right here. Um, I think he looks good right here, so we're gonna get that part right there, and we're gonna highlight. We're gonna leave that part right there, like that, something like that. And we're gonna get some more parts right here. Let's say when Superman fights, Superman saves this person right here. We're gonna cut that part right there. Let me see if I got the part right here. Right, so this part right there. I'm gonna move it a bit. The other few, that part. Just try to get the hero's best part there. But right now I'm doing is I'm not getting the best part of the video because I'm not allowed to show you the full movie. So yeah, sorry guys. I'm just doing this very quick. There we go. So let's say this part's right here. We have, so we can cut a few parts. Let's say these are his best parts right here. Let's say these are Superman's best parts, but which is not not the best part. Just trying to make this quick there. Say that's the best part right there. Oh, I kind of like this part. There you go. Let's say those are his best parts in the movie. Let's say something like that. Now, if you want to make like a fun thing, like show that we are a fan video of him, grab all of his best parts. But here's not his best parts. I think this was the best part of him. His best parts of the clip on the movie. So grab that. But the others right here, I think it's not. So yeah, sorry guys. After grabbing those best parts right there, I suggest, for example, right here, um, make compound for a few of them. Right there. There we go. So now here we're gonna add each one of them their unique effects. Right here, we can add their own unique effects. There you go. So we're gonna start off with this one. So this one right here, I think we can add the pulse right there. Let's see. There you go. So here we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut to this part right there. This part here, we're gonna make it short because it's like a pulse thingy. So there you go. So we're gonna cut that part. So there you go. We're gonna add nope. We can add each their own styles right there. Right here we can uh, right here. So here we can add like a reverse right there. So we're just gonna cut it and we're gonna copy paste it. 'Cause I think it would look good in reverse. So yeah, just every clip, try to make it different from the each other. So here we're gonna add a reverse right here, reverse right there. So we're gonna reverse that clip right there. Okay, it's not reversing. Uh, Wait, it's reversing but taking too long. So we're gonna try to reverse. Reverse it quick. I think it takes too long because I added like a full movie to it. So the CapCut was like, "What? There's a full movie." That's why it's taking longer to reverse. But yeah, let's just say we reversed it. The the, the movie played like he walked in right there. Then after he walked in, goes back open. Let's say it's something like that. After that, here, right here, good moments right there. So we should get that. And we're gonna put in shake right there. I think a shake is gonna be good. Yeah, for this one right here, we're gonna do the vertical shake. Stay right there. Yeah, but now we're gonna make it a little bit short. We don't want to. We don't want to make it a lot shake. There we go. And right here, we're gonna cut that part right there. Now, after doing that, we're gonna add like a another effect right here. Okay, that looks good. Let's say this is the full video. There you go. So as you can see, it looks good. Now, for the best part of this is add an audio. Let's say you're gonna add a song like something like a psycho, depending on what the video you want. If you're gonna add something like that, if depending on the song, if you're gonna say a psycho like oh she's such a psycho, psycho. So if it's like that, add in make the filter right here, add the filter a little bit dark. So if your music like oh she's such a if you because the because the song should looks the same as the video, if you get what I mean. uh, I suggest if you don't know what I mean or understand, I suggest watching the music video of the video that you have chosen. Let's say that song, right? Oh, let's say like that. Watch the video and you will see the theme or the color of the video, and once you see that, you can add the color of the video right here, like that, something like that. Add the color of the video oh, see, you can add now the color of the video to the, so it will look as the same as like the, I'm not like the video, like the vibe of the song, if you get if you get what I mean. So yeah, I suggest doing that. But let's say it doesn't have like a what do you call this, music video. Let's say it's a 90s song. I suggest if it's a 90s song, if it's talking about love, I suggest make it a little bit more pinkish. Or if it's like a chill, I suggest doing it a little bit more the color a little bit more aesthetic. So I suggest putting in filters right here. Let's say um, say if it's like a sad one, like it's a sad song, like oh na na, I suggest putting it a sad effect right there. And don't do the pulse right there, don't do the pulse if it's a sad song. Just add like a just I suggest if it's like a sad song, I suggest putting in just like filters right there. Or you can add pop shake like this one, a quick shake like that. You can add that one for if it's like a sad song, something like that. So there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. So if you have any more question on how to make your CapCut fan video, just type it on the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.